back at it again with another quick reinvestment on Bitconnect. Now, I've logged in. I see I have $62.89 in my lending wallet, which isn't too bad. Can't complain. Let's see where those transactions have come from. I think the interest paid out daily hasn't been too bad. It hasn't been super high as I've been experiencing over the last couple of days, but we've got 1%. Yeah, about 0.55, 0.77. Yeah, I can't complain. I'm still seeing numbers. I'm just waiting for the day that Bitconnect is telling me that I'm not getting my money, but at the moment I'm seeing numbers, so I can't complain. And if I can't complain, all I can do is reinvest. So yeah, the numbers are looking okay. Don't really have any complaints so far. Yeah, Bitconnect is doing what it says on the tin. It's paying me my money daily. So yeah, no complaints at all. So in that case, I am going to reinvest that $62.89. So simply click on reinvest. All, I guess I'm gonna have $2.89 left. So reinvest that. 299 days, I should get it back. Close. Yeah, you're all good to go. So yeah, that's my Bitconnect loan. Yeah, total active investment for $2,430. So I guess $60 more than that. It's probably $2,490. So yeah, all good. But yeah, looking at coin market cap, I can see crypto has had a crazy week, especially Bitcoin, which keeps setting new highs. It keeps hitting new highs. It's been amazing over the last couple days. Even though there's been a little bit of a drop amongst all cryptocurrencies, yeah, Bitcoin is gone past $8,000. It's currently sitting on new highs and new market cap achievements. Its dominance 56.6% of the market, which is incredible still. And yeah, the highs at the moment is just ridiculous. Like, I don't know when there's actually going to be a limit of the amount Bitcoin will go to, but other than that, it is looking ridiculous. And as you can see, a lot of the money is coming from Bitfinex. You could trade US dollars, so I'm guessing that's coming from America as usual. But you know, the KRW still is strong, staying strong. You know, it's been a lot of volume at the moment, a lot of transactions. So yeah, it is looking good. It is looking good for Bitcoin, and also it's also looking good for all other altcoins. Most other altcoins seem to be on the rise also. Other than a small dip over, I think it was yesterday, there was pretty much, I think Tether had been hacked, so it pretty much affected the whole crypto market. But other than that, Ethereum is just going crazy. Ethereum's pretty much, you know, the South Korean won is pushing a lot of money in Ethereum, so I'm guessing that's one of the reasons why, you know, its market cap and its total coin value is going up. But as you can see, it's just there's just so much money going into cryptocurrency at the moment, and I just do not see it stopping. Yeah, it's good to see that, you know, crypto is on the rise, as it's always been. But one thing I've noticed is that with Ether in my eyes is one of the most stable, you know, cryptocurrencies since I've been in the game, since I started mining it. Like, I've noticed when, you know, the currency pretty much, you know, shoots up to a certain level, then I notice it dives back down to an operating level. You know, I'm not expecting Ethereum to shoot up to the moon the way Bitcoin has, but you know, Ether's just staying consistent. At the moment, it has over 33 billion market cap, and every time it has around 34 million in the market cap, that's when it hits new highs. So I can see that happening very soon. June 18th, it hit what, 35 billion. August 28th, it hit something around what, 33 billion. So yeah, the market cap starts looking ridiculous. June 14th, it's just hitting 14. I can see Ether you know, remaining strong, remaining consistent, and I have no worries about it. But yeah, it's a good look for cryptocurrencies at the moment, although there has been a small drop amongst most cryptos due to the hack of Tether, where $30 million pretty much have been stolen. And like, the aim of Tether is to pretty much, you know, act as a leverage between, you know, the US dollar and exchanges, so they don't have to use fiat currency. But it seems that you know, there was some kind of hack in regards to, you know, an external hacker pretty much went into the underlying, you know, infrastructure of what Tether use and stole funds. So yeah, that was definitely a big one. That was some big news that came in. Bitcoin's looking fine, as we know. A lot of the volume comes from its own exchange, as we know. But it will be interesting to find out if other exchanges started, you know, having more volume. What would actually happen to the price of BTC? So imagine if it becomes separate from Bitcoin itself and it has its own, you know, its own values rather than just being related to Bitcoin. But yeah, this is the 31 million theft I was talking about. So pretty much, you know, they plan on suspending its service to effectively lock up the stolen funds, and then, you know, implement new Omni-Core software, which basically Tether uses itself to blacklist the wallet. So hopefully people get their money back, but I just don't see it happening. But these kind of things can happen. You know, fiat currencies have always been susceptible to bank robberies and, you know, fraud. So similar things can happen in cryptocurrency depending on where you have your money. You know, historically, exchanges have been targeted by hackers. Recently, Bitconnect, a platform that I actually use, was hacked for like 120,000 Bitcoin, valued at 72 million at that time. And I think that was around in August 2016. But a year on now, I couldn't imagine how much that's worth. So, you know, there's loads of different kind of exchanges out there. So, for example, I also use Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the best exchanges to use. If you're a noob, if you're just getting into crypto, Coinbase is the one. So, you know, you can use your debit card, you can use a credit card, you can even do bank transfer. Used to even was able to send money straight from your bank account using GBP, but at the moment they don't have a UK bank account to do that. So you send funds to Estonia using euros. So your bank might charge you for that, but yeah, to send it back to your account, you might get charged as well. So yeah, Coinbase is the one to get into crypto as a noob. But then again, it's always safe to keep your money off of exchanges into offline wallets. And that's the best way to keep your money safe. You know, it's not good to keep your money somewhere where everyone else could possibly have access to it, and that's by, you know, hacking into it. But yeah, Bitconnect is another exchange that a lot of people use, but it's not something that I've used just yet. I will start using it to see how it is. But yeah, it seems like it's been an interesting week in cryptocurrency. So yeah, what can I say? Just enjoy and stay trapping that crypto. Thanks for watching.